Hey Prof, how can a welder stay healthy?
Sure, my pleasure to explain. Yeah, the welder, he has to carry the welding torch. So weight is the most important point. So if you take out weight of the torch, for example, in the cable assembly by using lighter material, you reduce the weight, best effect. Second point is the ergonomics. That means how balanced is your welding torch? Do you have any load on the wrist or not? You can use a ball joint, that really helps. And not to forget the handle. If the diameter is too big over time, the effort is too high. So have a small handle diameter. That's the points on the standard torches. And what you can do additionally is a welding torch neck that's adapted to the task you have. So having the standard torch, you would have to bend forward, having a load on your back muscles. Using this work adapted torch, you can stand straight and the load on your muscles in the back goes down. So quite simple. And of course, also the welder himself can do something. Yeah, we've created this fitness manual, so the welder can do some exercises before welding to prevent an overload, or after welding, to relax and calm down. This also helps. Any questions for the Weld Prof? Please contact me.